What's goody with y'all, man? What's good with y'all, man? I'm finna do an all-around fade for y'all, man. So basically, we're gonna start off with this ball guideline. You know what I'm saying? Make it about midway. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make sure you bald it out and make it even on both sides to help the fade come out more even looking and, better. Okay, right here, I'm gonna grab my FX clippers and I'm gonna open it up all the way and I'm gonna go up about an inch. I'm gonna go up about an inch and then I go halfway and I go one notch above fully closed and then I go fully closed. Sometimes I'll jump to fully closed if I don't really want to use the second notch and waste time. Sometimes I can go, just straight knocking the line out. But sometimes I like to just walk it down and give it a better look to me. Okay, you see now I'm going halfway. You know what I'm saying? Playing with my lever, making sure I get that line out of there. You know what I'm saying? Playing with the lever, play with it, flick it. Get it right. You know what I'm saying? That's all getting the line out is really lever play, man. You're gonna have to use your lever. You're gonna have to get comfortable with using your lever. Going up and down, you know what I'm saying? Back and forth. You're gonna have to do that. You're gonna have to use your corners. You know what I'm saying? It's something you're gonna have to do, so. Now right here, y'all gonna see me doing the same thing, you know what I'm saying? Going halfway, second notch, fully closed, knocking that line out, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to leave comments, man. Leave comments if you messing with this video, man. I need motivation to post more videos. Y'all gotta motivate me. Y'all gotta push me, man. I wanna know that y'all wanna see this content, you know what I'm saying? I wanna feel it. Let me know, man. Okay, y'all see me still playing with the lever, still going halfway, man. Still going fully open. Just trying to knock out that little line I see. And sometimes it don't even be a line I see, it be spots I see. So I gotta use my corner and detail like that. But I really do most of the detailing towards the end. So. And now I threw that 1.5 guard on, you know what I'm saying, fully open, going up about an inch, really just debulking though. You know what I'm saying? The lower it is, the easier it will be to fade. Remember that. So just try to get everything real smooth and laid down. So I'm gonna go fully open, and then I'm gonna go halfway, and then I'm gonna go fully closed. I actually might skip halfway. I can't remember, to be honest. I recorded this video yesterday, but I can't fully remember the steps. So yeah, I go fully closed. Okay, so I go fully closed. You know what I'm saying? Going up, really just smoothing everything out. So when I go in with that one guard, it'll be almost done. And that's another tip. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you go down on the hair. That helps smoothen it and bring the fade together a lot. Going down on the hair, smoothing it out, cutting it down, that really helps a lot. Really gives it a more smooth look.
That nigga crazy.
Right here, I grab my one guard fully open, and I'm just gonna lay it down even more. You know what I'm gonna lay it down even more, get it a little bit more smoother. You know what I'm gonna lay it down, and then y'all gonna see me go up and knock that. We'll get one step closer to knocking that line out in the middle. Here y'all see me fully open, you know what I'm saying, going up about an inch, really just attacking that line though, you know what I'm saying. See me, if I'm not really hitting like a faint line, I really just go up and attack the line aggressively instead of like flicking out exactly at the line. I actually just fade the hair like I go over the line sometimes, but I won't go over the last guard I used. You know what I'm saying? Grab my fade masters, open them all the way up. Now I'm just gonna basically use my corners to just get this fade where I want it and add that extra blend, that extra blur. You dig? But no, for real though, I'm really just using my corners, detailing, making sure I hit every little spot I see with my corner, making sure I'm flicking out with my corners so I won't make another line I don't want to make. Right here, I threw my one guard on my Fade Masters, and I'm going down on the hairline. When the hairline is laid, it cuts smoother because you don't have any hangover hairs, you don't have anything in the way. Alright, right here, y'all gonna see me grab my Got2b glue. You know what I'm saying? My favorite spritz to use. My favorite holding sprays to use. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make sure you fully dry it, get it fully dry, or it will not cut right. Right here, I'm gonna hit the back of the beard, you know what I'm saying? Get it right, get it sharp, and then y'all gonna see me move on to the hairline. Right here, I'm gonna line up the corners first. You wanna make sure that you have your client head straight while you're lining them up. Because if your client head is down and then you lift their head up at the end of the cut and then the lineup is tricky because you thought it was straight, but really their head was down. You know what I'm saying? That'll slow you down a lot. So you wanna make sure you stay real consistent and barely hit the line. Make sure you tapping the line very light. You know what I'm saying? Even in the corners, you see he light in the corners, but I'm not going back. I'm going back little by little, little by little, little by little. Make sure you remember that. And I wasn't able to get the footage of the enhancement part. I forgot to, but I did use Topic. So yeah. So this basically the final product, man. Y'all see the fade blurry, you know what I'm saying? Faded, you know what I'm saying? Transition, that's the key. You need to see transition, and you see transition in this cut. So if you like this cut, please make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Yes, sir.